7번. 대화를 듣고 여자가 남자에게 부탁한 일을 고르시오.
Hi, Grandma. What are you doing?
I'm taking some pictures with my new camera.
Oh, isn't that a brand new camera?
Yes, it's much easier to use than I expected.
You're taking computer lessons, right? You can edit the pictures on the computer.
Oh, really?
Yes, but you need to install an editing program first.
Editing program? Where can I get it?
There must be a CD that came along with the camera.
You're right. There was a CD.
Installing is simple. You have only to insert the CD and click some buttons.
Why don't you do that for me? I'm afraid I might click the wrong button.
Okay, it's no big deal.